Welcome to my channel Swiftlearn. In this tutorial I will show you how to display data from SQL Server database to Listview in Android application step by step. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, go to the directory in the D drive. Now I'm going to create a folder in the Android project tutorial folder. In this folder I will create an Android application to display data in Listview from SQL Server database to Android. Okay, now start Android Studio. Okay, it's started. Now go to the file menu and click on new and click on new project. Select empty activity and click on next. Select the directory location where you want to create this project, Android project. So yes, display data in Listview Android. Select this folder and click on OK. Yes, now name the application. My application name is display data in Listview from SQL. Okay, click on finish. Yes, the project is created. You can see in the left pane display data in Android SQL folder. Okay, this is main activity.java. Now go to the activity main.xml file. This is default text hello world. Remove this text and design this page to display data from SQL Server database to Listview using Android. Okay, concentrate this button and top, right and left. Now add a list view. Yes, this is the list view. Okay, concentrate it with button in the top, right and left bottom. Okay, now this design is done. Now I'm going to create a new Java class to connect with SQL Server with Android application. In that case, now my class name is connection helper. Connection con string IP port DB UN means username, DB database, and pass is password. Suppress lint neo API. Okay, to get the lint data. Public connection con class. My class name is con class and IP 172.1.0.0 port. For default port number is 1433. If you change your SQL Server port number, you should put your SQL Server port number. Okay, start SQL Server, connect. This is SQL Server authentication, login SN, password, SQL Server authentication password, database programming DB, table name is product setup underscore tab. These are the records in the database table. You can see product ID, item name, design and color, and database name is programming DB. Copy the database name and paste it in DB. Okay, now UN is SA and pass is test 129. Okay, now strict mode dot thread policy equal to new strict mode dot thread policy dot builder dot farmitol dot build. Okay, now strict mode dot set thread policy what I declared. Okay, now connection equal to default connection is null, and then string connect URL equal to it's also null. Now in the try catch is catch exception exception. Finally log dot e first break error, the error message exception dot get message. Okay, press alt plus enter to solve this error. Now class dot for name, and is net dot source force dot JDBC dot JDBC dot driver. Okay, now connection URL is JDBC colon JTDS colon SQL Server colon and double slash plus IP plus colon port colon semicolon plus database name equal to DB. My database name is the variable of the database name is DB. Okay, user equal to UN and semicolon password equal to pass. Yes, semicolon, and finally it's done. Now connection equal to driver manager dot get connection URL. Okay, return connection. So it's done. Now add JDBC jar dependency. To add jar dependency, first of all you should put the jar file in your project library. So to go to the project library, open the app folder and open the library. You can see in this library folder is empty. Now just copy this jar file and paste it in the JDBC 1.3.jar. You can download it from internet, or you can get the link to download link in the description box below. Okay, go to the project structure, F dependency, F, and click plus sign to add jar dependency. Okay, just select the location directory and paste. Yes, now copy the file name, just copy and paste it with the backslash. Yes, click on OK. Okay, the jar dependency is added. Click on apply. Okay, yes. Now add permission in AndroidManifest.xml. This is the AndroidManifest.xml file. Add permission, Android name equal to permission.internet, and another line, Android name equal to access network state, permission.access network state. Okay, now this is main activity Java file, and this is okay. First of all, I'm gonna create a layout file, layout resource file. Yes, for the file name should be small letter. Okay, my file name is list layout template. So design this template with the text view. Okay, now I just copy this relative layout and text view. This is the relative layout, just paste. Yes, in this relative layout I will add text view to design this list layout template. This is the text view. You can see text view, product ID, text view, item product ID, item name, iname, text view, color is COL. Okay, I just for 3 text view, just select and copy and go to the Android layout template. Yes, added. You can see text view, product ID, iname, design and color. Okay, ID, item name, design and color, and product ID is product ID, item name is iname, design is DS, color is COL. Okay, now you can see the layout. To to right of and layout to right of product ID, and text view design will be the right of product ID, and this is below of description. Okay, now add a Java class. Yes, new Java class name list item, and this list item just put connection connect string connection result equal to default connection result is blank. Now boolean is success equal to false. Initially the success equal to false, finally it will be true. Okay, now public list map and then string. This is get list. Okay, list map string data equal to null. Initially declare data is null. Now data equal to new array list will be map string. Try connection helper equal to new connection helper is my Java class what I used to connect to the SQL Server database. Okay, if connect equal to null, then it will display the not equal to null. I mean, if connection is okay, then string queue equal to queue means query select star from products underscore setup underscore tab the database table. Then statement equal to connect dot create statement. Final result set equal to statement dot execute query queue. Add just fresh alter shift and enter to resolve this error. Okay, now while result set dot next. Okay, map string dt name equal to new hash map string. Okay, dt name dot put product ID text view ID is product ID result set dot get string column label product underscore this is database column name product underscore ID item name design and color. Okay, now copy this line of code and paste for item name design and color. I name the text view ID, see that I name is text view ID, and design and colors DS and CUL call. So item name DES and CUL, and this one is column level is from the database table column name item name design and color. Let's see item name design and color in the SQL Server database table. Okay, now data.add dt name semicolon yes connection result equal to success is success equal to true. Okay, finally connect dot close and closing the connection, else connection result equal to failed. Okay, get list return. Oh yes, we should return the return equal to data. Now in the main activity main dot java I just creating a method public void get list view b list view lstb. This is declared variable list lstb equal to list view find v by id r.id dot list view. My list view name is, oh yes, I have to write the id. This is button, okay, and list view id is list view 1, okay, id is list view 1. So for list view 1 id dot list view 1. Okay, now call this method list map string my data list equal to null. Okay, now list item my data equal to, oh yes, new list item my data list equal to my data dot get list. This is my method name. String from w, this is from where. Now just put text view id, product id, iname, ds and cul. Okay, now integer 2w equal to r.id dot product id r.id dot iname r.id dot ds and r.id dot cul. Okay, now simple adapter add. So I have just declared the simple adapter add. Now add equal to new simple adapter. Simple adapter is main activity dot this my data list data and r dot layout dot, this is my layout name, list layout template. You can see what template I added, and then from w and to w. Okay, now Listview dot set adapter add. Okay, now it's done. Let's check verify the TCP IP is enabled from SQL Server configuration manager. This is the SQL Server configuration manager. TCP IP is enabled, and SQL Server network configuration. Click on protocols. TCP IP enabled. Yes, the TCP IP is enabled. If you change the TCP IP, you must restart the SQL Server service. Okay, now change the text color of this product ID and item name. Okay, it's always use color code instead of color name. It's running. Just click on load data. Yes, you can see 101 RAM Dell new version is displaying perfectly. Thanks for watching this tutorial.